Looking for a cordless pressure washer but not sure which one actually delivers? Stay tuned as we rank and review the best models out there, from weakest to absolute powerhouse. Starting off our list at the bottom is the Ontel TJHXPRO-CB4 Pro. It's compact, lightweight, and extremely beginner-friendly, but when it comes to serious cleaning power, this little guy just doesn't pack the same punch as the rest. Now, if you're just looking for something to rinse off patio furniture or water plants, this can definitely get the job done. It's cordless, portable, and draws water either from a hose or a bucket, which makes it flexible for quick, light-duty jobs. Plus, the 6-in-1 nozzle gives you a bit of spray variety without needing to change attachments. But here's the downside. With only 350 psi of pressure, it's the weakest in this lineup. If you're dealing with anything more stubborn than dust or mud, this washer will leave you frustrated. The battery also isn't built for long sessions, so you'll likely need to recharge mid-job. That said, this is a decent pick for seniors, apartment dwellers, or anyone who just needs a quick rinse and doesn't want to spend a lot. If you're looking for a real upgrade though, keep watching. Things are about to get better. And hey, if you want to check out the best deals on all the washers we mentioned today, you'll find links to every product in the description below. Coming in next is the Worx HydroShot. Now we're stepping it up. Compared to the previous model, this one offers more than double the pressure and a solid name behind the brand. It's designed for those who want real cleaning ability without losing portability. What makes the Worx stand out is its lightweight design and smart features. The brushless motor gives it longer life and quieter performance, while the dual speed settings and adjustable nozzle make it flexible for different tasks. Whether you're washing the car, the deck, or your bike, it's got you covered without much hassle. Still, it's not without trade-offs. The flow rate is just 1 gallon per minute. A bit underwhelming, and it's not powerful enough for deep grime or mold. It's more of a step up from a garden hose than a real substitute for a high-powered washer. If you're someone who values convenience and wants something reliable for light cleaning around the house, the Worx is a solid pick. And hey, if you're finding this helpful, give the video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest gear reviews. Right in the middle of the pack is the cordless pressure washer from Andeman. It matches the Worx in pressure, but brings more flow to the table, and that's a big deal if you're dealing with bigger messes or larger surfaces. This one really shines with its 6-in-1 spray nozzle, comfortable handheld size, and the ability to draw water from virtually any source, whether it's a bucket, a pool, or a garden tap. It's also very easy to set up and use, which is a plus for anyone who doesn't want a complicated setup. That said, it's still not a heavy-duty tool. While the 1.5 gallons per minute is better than some others, it still can't compete with the high-pressure units when it comes to blasting away serious dirt. And like others in this category, battery life may be a factor if you have a lot to clean. If you want a solid middle ground option that won't break the bank, the Andeman is a great compromise. More power than entry-level models, without the bulk of pro-grade units. Moving up the ranks, we've got the EVEAGE Q7. This model is where power and performance really start to kick in. With 1000 psi and a strong 2.5 GPM flow rate, this thing means business for a cordless washer. It's a great blend of pressure, portability, and price. You'll get more done faster whether it's your driveway, siding, or even a boat. The Q7 keeps things simple with its 3-mode nozzle and long cleaning reach, and it's still light enough to carry around comfortably. Of course, it's not perfect. It doesn't quite hit the top in terms of pressure or build, and the battery specs aren't clearly advertised, so you may need a second battery for longer jobs. But compared to everything below it, this one's a serious step up. If you want to make quick work of outdoor chores without going full commercial, this is a very smart pick. But if you want even more cleaning power, hang tight, our top choice is next. And finally, the king of the cordless pressure washers, JOYSWAN takes the crown. It's got the highest pressure in our lineup, the best flow rate, and the largest battery for extended cleaning time. With a powerful brushless motor, a 5.0 amp-hour battery that lasts up to 90 minutes, and a smart 6-in-1 nozzle with 3 adjustable speed modes, this thing is built for people who want to clean fast and clean well. Whether you're tackling greasy grills, muddy tires, or grimy patios, it's got more than enough muscle. Now, it's a bit heavier than the others, and some users mention the suction hose can be finicky depending on your water source. But those are small trade-offs when you consider the overall performance and durability you're getting here. If you're serious about pressure washing and want the best cordless experience without stepping up to gas or bulky plug-in models, JOYSWAN is your go-to. So there you have it, the top cordless pressure washers ranked from weakest to best. If you want to grab any of these for the best price, check out the links down in the description. And don't forget, like this video and subscribe to the channel for more smart, honest product reviews just like this.